Ever wonder why some nights in bed feel like fireworks and others feel like a rerun? The truth is, the position you use can make all the difference in a woman's pleasure, and science backs it up. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. I'm Dr. Masha, a urology and men's health expert, and today we're diving deep into the science of sexual positions and how they influence a woman's ability to reach orgasm. If you or your partner are in a long-term relationship and find yourself sticking to the same go-to moves every time, you're not alone. But while comfort is nice, research shows novelty alone can boost arousal and make orgasms more intense. There are even specific techniques, like the coital alignment method, designed to increase clitoral stimulation during intercourse. I've covered those in other videos, but today's focus is on the classics, the positions couples already use. Can any of them actually improve the odds of orgasm? Let's see what the data says. The first major study came out in 1978, asking married, mostly white, college-educated women in relationships of at least 2 years about which positions they used, how often, and which led to the most reliable orgasms. Interestingly, their most used positions were also the most orgasm-friendly. At the top, face-to-face with the man on top, followed by face-to-face with the woman on top, then side-lying face-to-face. After that came prone rear entry, lying face down, then sitting face-to-face, kneeling rear entry, and finally, sitting rear entry. But that was decades ago. Disco was in, and the internet didn't exist. Times, relationships, and sexual norms have changed. A more recent large-scale study from the Czech Republic surveyed over 20,000 people, 11,000 men and 9,000 women, most in relationships, college-educated, and in their 30s, with an average of 4 sexual encounters per month. Participants saw illustrations of 13 common sexual positions, some involving penetration and some not, then rated them for pleasure and reported how often vaginal intercourse led to orgasm. The most popular positions were still similar: face-to-face with the man on top, face-to-face with the woman on top, and kneeling rear entry. Here's the part that hits hard. 1 in 3 women reported never experiencing orgasm from penetrative sex alone. That's far higher than the usual 12% reported in medical literature. The likely reason? Not enough clitoral stimulation. Prior studies show many women need direct or indirect clitoral contact to climax, and this survey's results point in the same direction. Of the women who did orgasm during intercourse, about 25% said it happened 3 out of 4 times. These women tended to be slightly older, perhaps more self-aware, confident, and vocal about their needs, and they had sex more often. They also favored positions like face-to-face, with the woman on top sitting face-to-face, and used kneeling rear entry less. Why? In woman on top or sitting face-to-face, the woman controls depth, angle, and rhythm, often allowing more consistent clitoral contact inside and out, boosting pleasure and orgasm frequency. So, if your routine feels stale, try mixing in these positions. Even small shifts in position or setting can reignite passion and satisfaction for both partners. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all for great sex. Communication, curiosity, and mutual enjoyment are key. Take care of your body, honor your pleasure, and never forget, your health, happiness, and fulfillment matter.